In the previous video, we had our first look at the order by clause. You saw how you could use order by to put data that is retrieved by a select statement into a sorted order. By default, when you include an order by clause, each column in the order by is sorted into ascending order. As you can see on this slide, the order by clause is for the population column. That means that when the data is retrieved, it is shown in the result grid in order by the population, from the lowest number to the highest number. If the order by clause is for a character column instead of a numeric column, the default sort order is alphabetic. When you write a select statement with an order by clause, the default sort order is ascending. There is also a keyword, ASC, that you can use to specify ascending order. In actual practice, you will probably never see the ascending keyword used. It is not a mistake to include it in your code, but this is one of those times in programming when the default is so widely known and accepted that it is practically never specified. You can sort in the other order using the DESC or descending keyword. This keyword is easy to use. You just put it after the column name in the order by clause as shown on this slide. You have to put at least one space between the column name and the keyword. So now you see that the result grid shows countries in order by population, with the country with the greatest population listed first. When you use descending order, the greatest numeric value is shown first. If you scroll through the result grid, you'll see that as you scroll, the population numbers decrease. If you use the descending keyword with a character column, the data is displayed in reverse alphabetical order. You can use the descending keyword when you have more than one column in the order by clause. On this slide, there are 3 columns in the order by. The last column is population, and once again, it has the descending keyword specified for it. So you now see data in the result grid by continent in ascending order, then region in ascending order, and finally population in descending order. You can use the descending keyword on as many of the order by columns as you want. This slide is the same as the previous, with the same 3 columns in the order by clause. This time, the descending keyword is used for the region and population columns. So the data is displayed by continent in ascending order, then region in descending order, then population in descending order. Notice that region is a character column and population is a numeric column. It is perfectly valid to use the descending keyword on different data types. This wraps up our quick look at the ascending and descending sequences in the order by clause. When you develop a select statement that has more than one column in the order by, you should run some examples of the select and look at what is being returned in the result grid. You'll want to be especially careful when you use the descending keyword and when you have more than one column. Be sure to check the grid to make sure that the data is being returned in the order you need for your application.